Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden picnic furniture's design ideas for your home or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden picnic furniture embodies a unique blend of craftsmanship and creativity that enriches our outdoor experiences. As simple yet functional pieces, picnic tables, benches, and chairs invite us to gather, celebrate, and connect with nature. The craftsmanship involved in creating these wooden pieces offers a deeper appreciation for the artistry and effort that goes into making functional furniture. Each item is not merely a product. It reflects the skills, creativity, and dedication of the artisan, fostering a profound connection between people and their environment. At the heart of wooden picnic furniture is the natural beauty of wood itself. Each type of wood carries its own characteristics, from the rich hues of mahogany to the rustic charm of cedar. This inherent beauty is not merely aesthetic. It also tells a story of the tree's life, the environment it grew in, and the hands that shaped it. When one sits at a wooden picnic table, they connect with the material in a way that synthetic materials simply cannot replicate. The warmth and texture of would evoke a sense of comfort and familiarity, creating an inviting atmosphere for gatherings. Craftsmanship plays a vital role in the creation of wooden picnic furniture. Skilled artisans take great care in selecting the right type of wood, ensuring that it is not only beautiful but also durable and suited for outdoor use. The process often involves meticulous planning, from designing the piece to shaping and assembling it. Each joint, cut, and finish reflects the artisan's commitment to quality and functionality. This dedication to craftsmanship is evident in the details. Smooth edges, sturdy construction, and thoughtful design choices all contribute to the overall integrity of the furniture. Moreover, the act of creating wooden picnic furniture itself is an expression of creativity. Artisans often draw inspiration from nature, personal experiences, or cultural influences, resulting in unique designs that resonate with their vision. Some may incorporate intricate carvings or distinctive features that reflect their artistic style, while others may embrace a more minimalist approach, highlighting the natural beauty of the wood. This creative process allows artisans to infuse their personality into each piece, making every table or bench not just functional furniture, but a work of art. In addition to the individual craftsmanship involved, wooden picnic furniture often becomes a focal point for community and family gatherings. These pieces serve as the backdrop for shared meals, celebrations, and leisurely afternoons. The act of gathering around a picnic table fosters a sense of togetherness and connection, creating lasting memories among friends and family. This communal aspect elevates the value of wooden picnic furniture beyond its physical form. It becomes a vessel for relationships and experiences that enrich our lives. Dear viewers, are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As people increasingly seek to reconnect with nature and spend time outdoors, the demand for wooden picnic furniture has grown. This trend reflects a broader cultural shift towards valuing experiences over material possessions. Wooden furniture, with its organic materials and timeless appeal, fits seamlessly into this ethos. It encourages us to step outside, breathe fresh air, and enjoy the simplicity of nature. In this way, wooden picnic furniture not only provides a functional space for dining, but also invites us to appreciate the beauty of the natural world around us. Furthermore, the sustainability of wooden picnic furniture enhances its appeal. Many artisans prioritize using sustainably sourced wood, emphasizing the importance of environmental responsibility. This commitment to sustainability not only ensures that the materials are harvested in a way that protects ecosystems, but also resonates with consumers who are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact. By choosing wooden picnic furniture, individuals support a culture of mindfulness and sustainability, fostering a deeper appreciation for the resources that nature provides. The process of care and maintenance of wooden picnic furniture also encourages a connection between the owner and the piece. Unlike plastic or metal furniture, wooden items require attention and care to preserve their beauty and longevity. Regular cleaning, oiling, and refinishing become acts of stewardship that deepen the relationship with the furniture. This nurturing process fosters a greater appreciation for the craftsmanship involved as owners witness the effects of their care on the wood over time. The furniture transforms from a simple object into a cherished companion that evolves with the seasons. In addition to fostering appreciation for craftsmanship, wooden picnic furniture can also serve as an educational tool. For those interested in woodworking, observing and understanding the construction of these pieces can inspire a desire to learn the craft. Many people are drawn to the idea of creating their own picnic tables or benches, igniting a passion for woodworking that can lead to a lifelong journey of creativity. This cycle of inspiration and education not only honors the tradition of craftsmanship, but also encourages future generations to explore their creativity and skills. Moreover, wooden picnic furniture often carries cultural significance. Different regions may have their own styles and traditions related to outdoor furniture, reflecting the local culture and environment. For instance, a rustic picnic table made from reclaimed barnwood may evoke a sense of rural charm and heritage, while sleek, modern designs might reflect contemporary aesthetics. This cultural diversity enriches the appreciation of wooden picnic furniture, as it showcases the myriad ways people have adapted the concept of outdoor dining to suit their lifestyles and environments. As we gather around these wooden tables, we are reminded of the artistry and effort that went into their creation. The tactile experience of touching the smooth, polished surface or feeling the natural grain beneath our fingers adds a sensory element to our interactions with the furniture. This connection deepens our appreciation for the craftsmanship and creativity involved, transforming a simple meal into a celebration of artistry and nature. Wooden picnic furniture offers much more than mere functionality. It enriches our lives through its craftsmanship, creativity, and the connections it fosters. Each piece carries with it a story of the wood, the artisan, and the experiences shared around it. As we embrace outdoor living and seek to reconnect with nature, the allure of wooden picnic furniture becomes even more pronounced. This appreciation for craftsmanship and creativity not only enhances our outdoor spaces, but also invites us to cherish the moments spent in the company of family and friends. Ultimately, wooden picnic furniture serves as a beautiful reminder of the intersection between nature, art, and community, enriching our lives in ways that transcend its physical form. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden picnic furniture's design ideas for your home or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.